Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Nabil bin Muhammad Nazri and my matrix number is 01DK820F1057 and I'm from DK83C. So my lecturer name is Puan Diana Safra and my title for this presenting is Practical Work Steel Roof Truss. So for this slide, I'll tell you guys the theory for this practical work. In structural engineering, the name truss describes a triangle design, a joint frame structure that sustains the inclined vertical or horizontal load. A truss consists of angle, channel, plate, and eye bars. It is a framework, typical consisting of rafter, posts, and supporting a roof, bridge, or other structure. You will find them supporting the roof of auditorium, cinema halls, stadium, railway station, airport, and others. Next, I will tell you guys the two objectives for this practical work. The first objective is to assemble the model of the truss for the guardhouse. Next is to propose a suitable IBS superstructure system for the guardhouse. The apparatus that we need to make a PVC roof truss is PVC wiring casing, screw, pencil, PVC handsaw, ruler, and screwdriver. Okay, now I will tell you guys the procedure of PVC roof truss. So first, you need to prepare the apparatus. Okay, and then we have to measure and cut the PVC wiring casing into 12 parts with different length. Okay, after we cut, after that, the part of PVC that we cut are combined using a screw. So the combination process of PVC part is repeated to create a roof truss. So this is the model roof truss. The part that must have at roof truss is apex, top chord, truss web, bearing point, bottom chord, and last is joint screw. For the guardhouse roof, we are using prefabricated steel roof truss, and the wall we use precast concrete block. For the floor slab, we are using hollow core slab, and for the column, we use concrete steel formwork. The efficient management of time and resource during supervision and quality checking for the guardhouse. Standard used for quality checking. ISO 9001 is the most widely used and recognized standard for quality management system international. Regardless of your organization size or sector, our team is proficient and knowledge to audit and improve your management system. For the critical path method is a technique for identify tasks that are required to complete a project. In project management, the critical path is the longer series of operations that must be complete on time in order for the project to be complete on time. It's a project management strategy that entails mapping out significant or critical tasks that must be complete in order for a project to be complete. For the CPM description, precast column installation, precast foundation and slab installation, precast concrete wall panel installation, prefabricated roof truss installation, and internal and external finishing. So discussion, there are many advantages to IBS. The first one is less construction time. IBS requires less construction time because the casting of precast element at the factory and foundation work at the site can occur simultaneously, and the work at the site is only the erection of the IBS component. Next, cost saving. The formwork of IBS components are made of steel, aluminum, or other material that allow for repetitive use, and this leads to considerable cost saving. So the conclusion, as you can see through my practical work, I have learned how to assemble the model of the truss for the guardhouse using the PVC casing wiring, and how to propose a suitable IBS superstructure system for the guardhouse. Through my research on roof truss have become more popular than rafter in recent years because they use a lighter material and are able to produce and purchase in large quantity, driving down the price. After, after all I have learned about roof truss, I can conclude that roof truss play a vital role in our surrounding. So this is the reference that we use for practical work. So that's all from me. Thank you.